Okay, today I'm going to show you how to change out a battery in a Game Boy game. It's pretty easy. You need a game bit screwdriver to pull out the one screw, and then you slide the top case down, and then the circuit board just comes right out. And you can see I got the battery there. So what I would recommend is make sure you look at the orientation of the battery that's already in there, and then your replacement battery, which you can just buy online. I like to set it in the same orientation, just so you don't get confused. First off, I like to add a little bit of flux to both sides. Flux is your best friend, especially when you're dealing with solder. So after I add solder to both sides, then I will use a soldering wick to try and remove a lot of that solder, just to make it easier to heat and pry up. And then you want to just work it back and forth. You don't want to pry up too hard, because once you get the solder melted and you get it hot enough, it should just slide right off. But that's all I do, is back and forth. Just heat up one side, just pry a little bit until eventually the battery just pops out. Painless. And after that, I set the battery aside, and now I'm going to come back through and remove the rest of the remaining solder on the pads, and then clean up the area a little bit, and then I will re-solder the pads to get them ready for the new battery. I just use isopropyl alcohol. If you can get 90% or more, it's better, but if you got 70 or whatever, it's fine. Then I come back through, add a little more flux, and then I'm going to prime the pads with some more solder. You don't need to add a crazy amount of solder, because you still do want the battery to sit somewhat flat. But I just add a little bit in there, prime it up a little bit, and try to get it so it's nice and even. And then after that, I will place the battery on top. Get it as centered as best as possible. And then I'll come back through and I will heat it up. But I'm putting just a little bit of pressure, pushing the battery down so it can sit all the way flat on that pad, get all the way through that solder, and then the solder will heat back up and keep it stuck into place. And I just repeat for the other side as well. Then after that, I just clean it up a little bit more with some IPA and a cotton swab, and then I put it all back together. Now, if you're having any trouble with getting the cover on, it may be because your battery is just not sitting flat enough, because there really isn't that much space in there. So if that's the case, come back through, reheat your solder, try to push the battery down to where it's sitting completely flat on the circuit board, and then try again. And then that should do it. Tried cleaning the case a little bit. This is a copy that my uncle had as a kid, so it's kind of dirty and gross, but nostalgic, and this is the one I wanted to play. Okay, here's my copy. Let's see if it works. See if I can get a save on there. Okay, the game's working. I'm gonna have to start this and see if I can hit a save. Okay. Hitting the save. Okay, I think it's saved. Let's find out. Hey, 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 there it is. There we go. Alright. That is fixed. Woo! Time for Pokemon.